Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to edit text in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this menu right here. This is going to look like this, which is our composition settings, where we can get started with creating our composition. We can select the quality right here, any info that we might want to use, and after that just click on OK, and after clicking OK, it's going to enable us to get started with our project and making our changes. So let's go ahead and see how to add text. Basically guys, if you want to add your text, this is how to do it. Here at the top of the menu we have the text option. That's going to look like a horizontal type tool, that's what it's called, and you can click on it to get started with adding text to your project. As you can see here, now we can go ahead and type and so on. And guys, at the right side of the screen here, we can go ahead and get started with editing our text. So basically, as you can see, we have the effects and presets option. So what we can do is select our text, and under effects and presets we can find what we want to use. As you can see, there is a whole folder that is called text under animation presets that we can go ahead and use, or if you just want to go ahead and find any text related effects, you can search for text. As you can see, now after searching for text guys, you can find we can use multiple options such as text bounds and so on. Anything we might want to use, we can go ahead and apply it to our text right here. And under the character option that you can find right here, we can go ahead and manage the font. We can find what kind of size we want, transparency and so on, anything related to our text. But yeah guys, basically that is how to get started with managing and editing your text. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.